Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
We are going to a waterfall, the Tottikalu Falls. It's 33 kilometers from our house. It is also called as the Swarnamukhi Waterfall or Golden Face Waterfall. So I'll tell you the significance of it when we reach there. So let's start our journey.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are almost nearing to the waterfall. We have parked our car and we have walked around 500 meters now. I'll show you the entrance to the falls. We have to cross a bridge and go. Chalo, yeah.
There's no way that you can't go there.
They have blocked the way.
You can't go that side. Probably can try the other route.
People are saying that we can't go this way. They have closed it. So we are looking for another alternative. ये रास्ता है Tottikalu Falls. Don't come. It's not worth it. It's all closed with thorns. All the paths are closed with thorns, and people are just jumping the thorns and the barriers and going in. And it's too crowded. Too crowded. We went halfway and came back. We did not go in. We might see when there is more time. Later on we might come back to see the falls, but you know, people in the starting only warned us that this is the condition, but still we thought we'll try, and we went till halfway. We got our legs and all wet, but it's okay, it was nice. But I would tell you, during this time, don't come to Tottikalu Falls. Later on you can, but not at this time. It's very bad, very crowded, not safe. It's not like Gudibande Fort. You might have seen the Gudibande vlog. If you haven't, check out the description up here. I'll put it, and the description below, and the icon here. You can see that vlog, and you can go to that place. That is very safe, very good. This is not worth it. What do you say, Ajit? It's crowded, right?
Yeah, it's crowded.
Extremely crowded, yeah. So I'm ending this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's a very small vlog and hardly anything we have shown, but I'm sorry. That's all for today. We'll see you next week with a new vlog, new travel vlog, or we're planning to do something different also. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please ring the notification bell to get updates whenever we upload new videos. Let me check, where are these people?
Sorry.
Say something, na? Otherwise people will think only I'm
Please
talking
like,
in the
share,
vlog.
subscribe our channel. Yes.